Hi guys, you're welcome to Big Beauty and you're welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we just want to look into a quick way we can actually wear our makeup while on holiday and on any summer sunny day. How we can easily use our finger and just a simple eyeliner to achieve a gorgeous eye look. So first you start with your black eyeliner. Ensure it's pigmented, and I hope this is, because this is by this one is actually by Shiglam. Anyway, so let's give it a try. It's not that pigmented, but we will make it work. All right, so go ahead and line your under eye. Just gently pull it out. Go ahead and line. All right, so do the same thing to the other eye as well. Yep. And then go ahead and smudge the eyelid with the same pencil. Just smudge it as much pigment as you can get. Yep, do the same thing to the other eye. Bring it up a little just because I have hooded eyes, just to take advantage of the folded area. Alright, so and that's about how much smudge you can go. Then finish off with your finger. Just finish it off. This look would be great for even summer parties and also. Alright, so to finish off, just grab any brown eyeshadow palette, any brown eyeshadow pan, and just use your finger to collect as much as you can, and then just finish it off. I'll do the same thing to the other eye. So I'll use the same eye pencil just to draw a little bit of wing line. It's just a soft mimic, nothing major, anything soft. And that's just about it, really. And then go ahead and add a soft sheen to the eye look, just to make the eye pop in summer season. This is a very soft sheen eyeshadow pot by Charlotte Tilbury. I'm just going to grab it. It's creamy, so you can collect any excess with the back of your hand, and then go ahead and just smudge it over. Do the same thing to the other eye. So grab a mascara and just finish off. And voila, easy to achieve, simple eye look, and you're ready for any summer holiday, any any summer day outing. Your eyes are ready. You can simply just place your eyelash on it and you'll be golden.